welcome to Jolie TV! Today was obviously my birthday and I got those beautiful balloons from my hubby and I'm so in love with them. But let's start with our topic. It's how to instantly appear 5 pounds skinnier with these fashion hacks. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video! Woohoo! By the way, I have an apple type figure, which is when you gain all your fat on your tummy, which is arguably the most difficult one to style. So I follow these fashion hacks religiously. So let me know in the comments what type of body type you have. And let's finally get started.
Number 1 fashion hack is wear a monochrome outfit. Duh, most of you probably know about this one, but here's a visual to remind you just how powerful it actually is. Don't I look like I instantly lost a bunch of weight in the black outfit? Well, this is the power of the monochrome outfit. And another tip, don't forget your high heels, girls. They elongate your body and give you a supermodel figure. Number 2 is say no to short bodycon dresses. They show off every extra pound that you have on your body. Especially if you have an apple type figure like me, stay away from it. Go for A-line or fit and flare dresses. They create the illusion of an hourglass shape, which is most flattering for most of us girls. Number 3. If you do decide to go for the sexy bodycon look, add a gorgeous kimono in a color that pops to hide your problem zones. Also, a kimono always adds some class to a sexy look, so you do look sexy, but in a classy and elegant way. Number 4, add a belt. Always. A dress with no shape will always make you appear bigger. So add a belt which creates an hourglass shape. So you will look so much better. Trust me. And the last one for today is say no to loose clothes. I know comfy clothes are great, but loose clothes always make you look heavier. If you like the comfy look, go for a yoga outfit instead. Makes you look so much trendier and skinnier.
One more thing for today, I wanted to introduce you to my cuddle bear, Prince Socrates, also sucking short. He wanted to say hi to you guys. So I really hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to JuliaJolieTV.com and hope to see you next time.